Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Temmiy S. This video, there's actually no intro for it. That's why you guys have me on here, hearing my sweet voice this morning, afternoon or night, wherever you guys are watching this. Anyways, I'm just going to show you guys how I created this punny sweet red silvery look. It was inspired by some beauty guru on Instagram, and if you don't know, I'm having this 21 days challenge on Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, go check it out. And guys, I would like to know what your feedbacks are on this kind of looks. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, you know what to do. But without further ado, I really want you, and I would like you to go ahead and watch the video. Have fun.
Let me fall back into sleep. When I wake up, you say I had a real problem.